Crypto Summit is over, folks. And yes, it was kind of disappointing, but we're going to give a short synopsis of what happened. One, they spent about half an hour staring at the World Cup trophy. Why? I don't know. Not really sure if they're really big Messi fans or Ronaldo fans or what, but that was the highlight of the summit. Obviously, the real meat happened yesterday when they signed the strategic Bitcoin reserve. So they were supposed to sign it at the summit. It'd be supposed to be this big deal, but they, didn't because they did it last night. So what did they actually discuss? Well, one, they discussed stablecoins. And they said they're going to use stablecoins like USDC or even USDT, because I do not think the US is kicking Tether out, that are based on the dollar to establish or maintain dollar dominance in the world. And that's a pretty good idea because the majority of value of stablecoins in the world right now is actually based on the dollar, and it'd be foolish for them not to continue that. So I think they're going to support stuff like USDC, USDT, RLUSD, FDUSD. If a stablecoin is based on the dollar and it is dominating a market, they probably want to keep that stablecoin in place so nothing else replaces that stablecoin, because they would rather have a dollar-denominated stablecoin dominate the European market than use a euro-denominated stablecoin for a lot of those exchanges. So that is one thing. They want clear stablecoin regulations, and I think they're going to be very, very loose regulations. I think that is the main thing. Another thing that's important is they're going to stop Operation Choke Point 2.0. That is the debanking of crypto and risky industries like NFTs, obviously. So for me, that means a lot more crypto affiliate programs may be able to pay in USD, which is a big deal for me, but probably not a big deal for the rest of you in the crypto industry. But getting banking services for your startup crypto business, that is extremely important. And I do believe this will help the crypto industry grow as more and more crypto projects, serious crypto projects, not meme coins, because I doubt banks will bankroll meme coins, but serious crypto projects will actually be able to get funding. So obviously, I don't think this is going to pump the price of anything, because this was already expected once Donald Trump actually got into office. They also cleared up a little bit about the Bitcoin reserve. The crypto asset stockpile is not a big deal. They have 20 assets they're going to put in that stockpile. I think even Scott Bessent or the Commerce Secretary Howard Lutnick said Trump just mentioned Solana, Ethereum, XRP, and Cardano because they're the top four stablecoin. I mean, not stablecoins, top four cryptos. And he said, don't look too much into it. So they're actually going to have more than those four coins in the actual stockpile. But the stockpile is not really a big deal because they're not going to buy any coins for the stockpile. Like I said yesterday, they're going to just keep those that they seized, and they can actually sell them, and they do plan to sell them. And they actually want budget neutral strategies that require assets to be purchased without additional taxpayer dollars to fund the Bitcoin reserve, which actually does include converting other reserve assets to the cryptocurrency. Now, that would actually include dollars or gold or something like that, but it'll also include basically selling the altcoins from the stockpile in order to buy more Bitcoin. So some of the altcoin fans may not actually be too pleased with that. And the other thing is they decided that Bitcoin is scarce and it's valuable for the U.S. strategic reserve, as said by David Sachs. So that's basically the highlight of the summit. Stuff we already knew, staring at the World Cup, and more reinforcement that Operation 2.0, Choke Point 2.0 is ending. Not a lot of excitement, but still, a decent summit, but kind of boring. Michael Saylor looked like he was bored out of his mind. So, not super optimistic what this will do to the price. I don't think it'll do anything to the price. And I do think it will be a sell the news event for the weekend. So that's the news for today. Let me know what you think. Like and subscribe. Hit that bell notifications button. Thank you and have a nice day.